Hello friends, ang ni gaman rap yung epi khubor laitkam. Nakaroon ba idang yadon hak deng kamet kap koi bakia balada dang don pi ki badang thumai sobha ba pinya like share ba subscribe ya gan ka channel junga kanang ba pinang yo shibun teaching tip hak ba ya dei bat ki khubor laitkam. Te hakani ka video ngan wala epi khubor laitkam hak ba ya dei bat ka staff selection commission kabala like pur hadu sawaja chispa properly post paya debat ke sub inspector vacancy tentangin puleno ia kani ka notification SSC recruitment 2024 notification or the staff selection commission has released a job notification for 4,187 numbers for sub-inspector vacancies in Delhi Police and Central Armed Force or CAPF through the sub-inspector in Delhi Police and Central Armed Police Force Examination 2024. The requirement qualification is a bachelor degree from a recognized university or equivalent. Eligible candidates may apply online. Last date is 28 March 2024. And name of the exam Sub-Inspector in Delhi Police and Central Armed Police Force Examination 2024. The perlok baro subhaba pin ya pitu ya kene ka pus balada piso bit piso ya ham bat piso ko abanik te subhasa apply ya kene ka pus jong ka Delhi Police namar ba kidon shibun ba ki chaka balak pila ban apply na guna kene ka Delhi Police. So friends, here are the number of posts: 4,187 posts tentative, and Delhi Police 186. For unreserved posts is 84. OBC or other backward classes 45 posts. Scheduled caste 25. Scheduled tribe 13. ES 19 posts. For the posts of CAPF 4,001 posts. For UR 1,614 posts. For OBC 1,097 posts. For SC 593 posts. For ST 2,095 posts. For ES 402 posts. So these are the posts for the Delhi Police and the CAPF. So nakabantaya ki parlok junga subhaba pin ya apply na bantay kini. Age limit will be 20 to 25 years as of 1st August 2024. Candidate must have been born not early than 2nd of August 1999 and not later than 4th of August 2004 to be eligible to apply. So the upper age relaxation is up to 3 years for OBC or ex-servicemen and 5 years for SC/ST candidates. So karta nakabantay jong ni ki ST/SC kande ka relaxation hadu sansnem te kata kabumot hadu liposnem. For educational qualification for all posts is a bachelor degree from a recognized university or equivalent. The candidates who have appeared in their bachelor degree or equivalent examination can also apply. However, they must possess essential qualification on or before the cut-off date, that is the 1st of August 2024. Male candidate applying for the post of sub-inspector in Delhi Police must possess a valid driving license for LMV or motorcycle and car on the date fixed for physical endurance and measurement tests. To be eligible for the post of sub-inspector in Delhi Police, the male candidate who do not have a valid driving license or LMV, motorcycle and car are eligible for the post of sub-inspector in CAPF only. So nagamta ki shinrang ki bamut ban apply ya ka post jong ka sub inspector in Delhi Police pribandon ya ka driving license. But nagamta ki to ki bompat don ya ka driving license but pila ban apply ya ka sub inspector apo ka CAPF. So how to apply for the SSC recruitment 2024 sub-inspector vacancies? So interested and eligible candidates may apply online through the SSC recruitment portal from 4th March 2024 to 28th March 2024. So yeah, link and sabu apo ka description box pila ban click ka link kabang labu apo ka description box. But pisala ban apply ya kani post apo ka website SSC recruitment 2024. Apply online for SSC sub-inspector 2024 direct link will given below. Schedule of computer-based examination on 9, 10 and 13th of May 2024. Application fees for unreserved 100, for OBC or MOBC RS 100, for SC/ST and women nil, for ex-servicemen also nil. So applicants are advised to go through the SSC recruitment 2024 sub-inspector vacancy official notification. Dengan tarai pala sautu parlok nakamta kani ka post jong ka staff selection commission de subhaban persang ban apply kenang ba yo lese pin bahaka bok kanusip pin yo ya kani kam kabade hapo Delhi Police. Shubun